children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class, the first topic is multiplication techniques. Now how to do the multiplication by number 11. Yes, let us consider the example 59 into 11. See here we are having one number and then we need to multiply it with 11. Now how to do that? This is a technique of multiplication. Here we will not actually multiply. See 59 into 11. 59 into 11. Now how to multiply? We know that 1 9s are 9, 1 5s are 5, and the new digit in the new line 1 0. Again 1 9s are 9, 1 5s are 5. Now when we add 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 9 14, 4 here 1 carried, 1 plus 5 6, 649 is our answer. Yes children, this is how we do multiplication. But here this is a multiplication technique. Without even doing the multiplication, we can find out the answer of 59 into 11. How? The first step is write the rightmost digit 9 in the units place. See what is the number here? 59. So this digit, the rightmost digit, that is the digit in ones place, write it in the units place. Now step 2. Consider the pair of digits from right and add them. From right, yes, after 9 what do we have? 5. So 9 plus 5 becomes what? 14. So 4 here, yes, 9 plus 5 becomes 14. Carry 1 forward and write 4 in the tens place of the answer. 4 we have written here, we will carry 1 forward. Forward means to which number? To the number 5. Now lastly add 1 to the leftmost digit and write it in the answer. Yes, we have carried 1 forward to the 5, right? So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. This is our answer children. Understood? 649. Just now we had multiplied, right? After multiplying also we got the same answer, that is 649. Now without multiplying also we got the same answer. So this is a technique by which we will learn how to multiply by 11. Let me take another example, okay? Say 73 into 11. Now what should we do? First step is write 3 as it is. Now the next step is add the two numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 here 1 carried. And lastly add these two. 1 plus 7 becomes 8. 803 is our answer. If you want you can check also. 173 are 73, 0, and again 173 are 73. 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 7 10, 1 carried, 1 plus 7 8. Yes children, so this is how you multiply with the table 11. This is the multiplication technique. This is how we multiply and this is the multiplication technique. Clear? Now let us look at the same multiplication by number 11. But here we are given a 3-digit number 265. Now again the first step is as it is. Write the digit in ones place. 5 as it is. Now next what did we do? We added the digit in ones place with the digit to its right, that is the digit in tens place. We will do the same here. 5 plus 6 becomes 11. So 1 here, 1 carried. Now next after 6 also we are having a digit 2. So we will add them up. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 becomes what children? 8. Now remember here we are carrying 1, right? So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So written 9 here, and the last digit here is 2. So 2 is written as it is. There is no carrying, right? So 2 is written as it is. Clear? See, 265. Always remember children, the last digit and the first digit should be written as it is. The digits in the middle are added in groups of 2. See, 6 plus 5 and 6 plus 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 2 as it is. 2915. What is this? This is 265 multiplied by 11. Let us cross check whether the answer we got is correct or not. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 2s are 2. Now a new digit, a new line and a 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6 and 1 2s are 2. Now add the partial products. Yes, 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 5 11, 1 here 1 carried, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9. Lastly we have 2. What is the answer? 2915. Here also what is the answer? 2915. Clear children? This was multiplication technique by the number 11. Now let me take another 3-digit number example. Okay, 1 3 4. Now it is to be multiplied by 11. First digit as it is, then add the first 2 digits. 3 plus 4 7. Then the next 2 digits, 1 plus 3 4, and the digit in the last place as it is, 1474. It is much faster than multiplying, right children? Yes. I hope this was clear. Multiplication by the number 11. Now let us see how to multiply by the number 15. The number 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. Yes or no? 10 plus 5 means what? 5 plus 0 5 and 1 15 only, right? So 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. Also 5 is half of 10. Yes, half of 10 means what? 10 divided by 2. We know that 2 5s are 10. Yes children, so what is half of 10? Half of 10 is 5. So in order to multiply a number by 15, first multiply the number by 10, then half it. Add both the numbers to get the answer. What are they saying here? In the example 1, see 178 into 15. First what did they say? That this 15 is nothing but 10 by 5. Yes, 15 is nothing but what? 10 by 5. So instead of 15 I will write, so 10 plus 5. Instead of 15 I will write 10 plus 5. Yes children, if you remember the distributive property, now 178 is to be multiplied with 10. What does these brackets mean? These brackets means multiplication. So 178 should be multiplied by 10. Then we are having plus here. Again 178 to be multiplied by 5. Now we all know how to multiply a digit with a number with 10. See 178 ones are 178. Simply place 1 0. 1780. Yes, clear? Now coming to 178 into 5. What did we learn just now children? 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Yes, 5 is the half of 10. In the same way, when we divide this product that we got by multiplying with 10 with 2, we will get the answer for 5. Yes, 5 is nothing but 10 divided by 2. Now what did we get by multiplication with 10? 1780. Now we are dividing it by 2. We will divide it by half. We divide it into half. 1780 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 8 brought down. 2 9s are 18. 0 again 0 brought down. So 0 here. 890. What is the answer children? 890. Here we are already having 1780. Now when we divided the 10th product of 10 by 2, we got 890. Now what will be the final step? As you can see, between these two numbers we are having the addition sign. So we need to add 1780 plus 890. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 9 17. 1 here 7 carried. Sorry, 7 here 1 carried. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 8 16. 6 here 1 carried. Lastly 1 plus 1 2. What is the total answer, children? 2670. 178 multiplied by 15. Clear? First 15 is written as 10 plus 2. Now according to the distributive property, it becomes 178 into 10 plus 178 into 5. Now 178 into 10 is equals to 1780. Now as 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So when we divide this product of 10 by 2, we will get the product of 5. So 1780 divided by 2 is 890. So when we finally add both the products, we will get our final answer, that is 2670. Clear, children, about this multiplication by 15? Now let us take another example and solve 896 into 15. Yes? What is the first step? This 896 into 15 is written as 10 plus 5. Now we should distribute it. 896 into 10 plus 896 into 5. Yes, children, 896 into 10 becomes what? Just the number with 1 0. 8960 plus. Now what to do for multiplication with 5? We need to divide the product of 10, that is 8960 divided by 2. Now what is the answer here? See, 2 4s are 8, 0. 2 4s are again 9 brought down. 2 4s are is again 8. When we subtract, we have 1. 6 brought down. 2 8s are 16 minus 0. Again 0 is brought down here, so we need to write 0. 4480. So 8960 plus 4480. Yes, children? Let me erase this division here. I hope you are clear with this, right? Very simple steps, children. First, split 15 as 10 and 5. Yes, then multiply the number with 10, and then the same answer you need to divide with 2. Now add both the answers, the multiplication and the division answers. 8960 plus 4480. 0 plus 0 0. 6 plus 8 14. 4 here 1 carried. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 4 14. Again 4 here 1 carried. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 4 13. What is our final answer, children? 896. 896 into 15 is equals to 13,440. Clear, children? How to do this multiplication by 15? Now here we have given few example problems that we should solve using multiplication techniques. Now let me explain these two, okay, because I have explained only till 3 digit numbers, right? So these are 5 and 6 digit numbers. See, no need to worry, again the same technique is to be applied here. Into 11, right? Yeah. So first write 2 here, then add the next two numbers. 7 plus 2 9. Then the next two numbers. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 here 1 carried. Now the next two numbers. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0 here 1 carried. And lastly, what do we have? 5 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. Yes. So 1 here. This is already done. 5 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 here again 1 carried. 6 plus 1 7. What is the final answer, children? 7,10,192. Understanding? See here, 5 plus 6, sorry, 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 0 here 1 carried. 5 plus 6 11. 5 plus 6 is 11, right? 11 plus 1 12. That one we've already done. Now from 12 we got another one carried. 6 plus 1 is 7. Understanding, children? The same technique. Be it a 5-digit number or a 6-digit number, the same technique is used. The answer is 7,20,192. Now coming to question number C. 5,78,124 multiplied by 11. Now first 4 as it is. 5 plus 2 plus 4 6. Then 1 plus 2 3. 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. 5 here. 1 carried. 5 plus 7 is how much, children? 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 1 13. 3 here. 1 carried. Lastly 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. What is our final answer here? 63,59,364. Clear, children? Yes, it is easy, right? Just add the next two numbers until you reach the last digit. That is how you get your answer of multiplication by 11. I hope that was clear. Now when we come to the next line, all are multiplication. So what we have done are already 3-digit numbers multiplied by 15. Yes. So I don't think there is need for me to explain again, right, children? Okay. Okay. Even though we have already done, I'll just take two numbers again here, two multiplication. I'll just write the steps. Now 892 into it becomes what? 10 plus 5. Now again distribute 892 into 10 plus 892 into 5. Now what is the answer of this? 8920 plus what should we do for this? The same product 8920 divided by 2. Yes, children, now after dividing, add both the numbers and you will get your final answer. Clear? The same steps are to be followed for question number F. It becomes 469 into 10 plus 5. Yes, 15 becomes 10 plus 5. Now 469 into 10 plus 469 into 5. Now 469 into 10 is 4690 plus, now again the same product divided by 2. Clear, children? After dividing, add both the numbers and you will get your final product. I hope this was clear. Multiplication by what? Multiplication by 11 and 15. Sorry, multiplication techniques by 11 and 15. Match the products to their multiplication problems. Okay, here we are given a, what do you say, a little exercise kind of thing to solve. Yes, children? Yes, so let us solve. Now we know that when we are, first one is 1 2 4 5 4 8 into 11. What do we do, children? When multiplying with 11, the last digit we will write as it is. Yes, 8. So the digit in one's place will be 8. Now look at the options here. Which has 8 in one's place? 3. Yes, option number 3. So our correct answer for A is option number 3. Simple, right? Without even solving it, we can match it with the correct answer. Now let us look at question number B. Now here 4 is in the ones place. So answer will also have 4 in the ones place. Now which is it? It is option number 4. So the correct answer is option number 4. Yes, children? Now coming to question number C. Now here we are having 1 in the ones place. So the answer will also have 1 in the units place. That is question option number 2. So that is our correct answer. Yes. Now we are left with only 2. 580 into 15 and 784 into 15. We are having two options, that is 1 and 5. See, children, in the given two numbers, which is the bigger number? 784. So whose product will be bigger? 580 or 784? Tell me. 784. Yes. Now if you look at both the options, 11,760 is the bigger product. So what can be its question then? It is 784. Yes. Now this is the smaller product. So the answer will be, the question will be 580 into 15. Yes. If you want, you can solve. Okay, let me erase these two. We'll solve. Okay. Now what is the best thing about match the following is, now if you solve option D, if you solve question number D, the remaining answer will go for question number E. So let us solve 580 into 15. Yes. How to write? 15 becomes 10 plus 5. So first 580 into 10 plus then 580 into 5. Yes children. So 580 into 10 becomes what? 5800. Another 0 here plus. Now what to do for this? The same product of 10 divided by 2. Yes, now why? Because 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now let us see what will we get as our answer here. 5800 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. 8 carried, 2 9s are 18. Yes, when we subtract 0 and then we have 2 zeros here, so we need to write 2 zeros. Yes, 2900. So 5800 plus 2900. Now what will be the final step children? Final step will be to add both of this. Add the product of 10 and then add its half. It's half. Half means divided by 2, right? Yes. So 5800 plus 2900. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 8 plus 9 17. 1 carried, 7 written here. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. What is our answer children? 8700. Where is 8700? Option number 5. So what is remaining here? Only option number 1 and question number E is remaining. So we will match them up. Clear children? This is how we have matched products to their multiplication problems. These are the products. Yes, these are the multiplication problems. I hope this was clear. Now let us learn how to multiply by using 99 or 999. What did we learn till now children? Multiplication by 15 and multiplication by 11. Yes. Now let us learn how to multiply using 99 and 999. Using Vedic maths. In order to multiply a number by 99, one method that you can follow is, write 99 as 100 minus 1 and then simplify the products to get the answer. For example, 56 into 99 is equal to 56 into 100 minus 1 minus 56 into 1, that is okay, I'll explain it to you. 99, how can we write 99 children? 100 minus 1. Yes. So here we need to multiply 56 with 99. Okay. So instead of 99, I'll write 100 minus 1. The same technique we have done for, what do you say, our 15, right? There we took 10 plus 5. Here we are taking 100 minus 1. Now what to do? We need to distribute 56 into 100 minus 56 into 1. Yes children, 56 into 100 means what? 56 ones are 56 and then 2 zeros minus 56 ones are 56. Now we need to subtract these two. 5600 minus 56. How to subtract? First 0 becomes 10, next becomes 9 and the last digit after zeros becomes minus 1. In the ones place 10 minus 6 4. In the tens place 9 minus 5 4. Here we are having 5 and 5. What is the final answer? 5544. What is this? This is 56 into 99. Yes, 5544. It is easy, right children? Instead of multiplying, we have just subtracted 5600 and 56. So we got our answer as 5544. Now there is another method also. You can also use the following method to multiply a number by 99. See, here we are having two methods, two techniques for multiplying by 99. Now let us look at the second technique. Step 1. Subtract 1 from the given number. For example, 56. So here what did we take? 56 into 99, right? So 56 minus 1, that will be equal to 55. Yes. Now step 2. Subtract the answer of step 1 from 99. What answer did we get from step 1? 55. So that we should subtract from 99. 99 minus 55 is equal to 44. Yes. Now what is our step 3? Write the answer of step 1 followed by the answer of step 2. That is 55, 44. Yes, first write the answer from step 1 and then the answer from step 2. So thus 56 into 99 is equal to 5544. See, let me explain. 56. What is the first step? From the number subtract 1. 56 minus 1 is 55. Okay. And in the step 2, what are we multiplying 56 with? The question is 56 into 99. Yes. So from 99 we'll subtract the answer of step 1. That is 55. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. What is our answer? 44. So our final answer 56 into 99 becomes, first write the answer of step 1, then write the answer of step 2. 5544. It is much easier than the first step, right? First method, right children? See, understand this carefully. Subtract 1 from the given number, and in the second step subtract the answer of the first step from 99. Now the lastly what should we do? Write the answer of first step followed by the answer of second step. That will give us our final answer. Let me take another example also. Say 73 into 99. Yes, what will be our first step? From the number subtract 1. 73 minus 1 is 72. Now the second step is from 99 subtract this 72. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 27. What will be our last step? Write the answer of first step followed by the answer of second step. 7227 is our answer. Let us check by actual multiplication whether the answer we got is correct or not. Okay children? 73 into 99. 9 3s are 27. 7 here, 2 carried. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 2, 65. Now next number means 0. Again same 9 into 73. 9 3s are 27. 2 carried. 9 7s are 63 plus 2, 65. Now when we add 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carried. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Again 2 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 6 is 7. What is the answer children? 7227. Yes, the same. It took us this much time to multiply and add, but here simply we got our answer easily. That was multiplication using 99. Now let us look at how to multiply using 999. Here what do we have children? 486 into 999. Yes. So again the first step will be 486 into 999. What did we do for 99 children? From the given number we subtracted 1. Yes, let us do the same here. 486 minus 1 is equal to 485. 486 minus 1 is equal to 485. Yes, this was our first step. Now what did we do in the next step? The 999 minus the answer from the first step, 485. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. What answer did we get children? 514. Now what will be the last step? Again write the answers of the step 1 and step 2, one beside the other. First 485, then 514. Yes, the same children, be it 99 multiplication with 99 or multiplication with 999. Now let us take another example, say 763 into 999. What will be our first step? From the given number subtract 1. 763 minus 1 is equal to 762. The second step will be from 999 subtract the answer of the first step. So 999 minus 762 is equal to 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 7 is 2. Yes children. Now what will be our final answer? 763 into 999 is equal to, write the first step's answer first and then the second step's answer. What is it? 7,62,237. I hope this was clear children. What did we learn? Multiplication techniques used for multiplication by 11, 15, 99 and 999. Okay. For 999, another method of solving is 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. Yes. So let us take the example of 762 into 999. Now what can we write 999 as? 1000 minus 1. So let us write it. Now what will be the next step? To distribute 762 into 1000 minus 762 into 1. Yes, as we are having minus symbol here. Now this becomes what? 7,62,000 minus 762. Yes children. Now when you subtract these both, you will get our final answer. Okay. Now these were the two methods of multiplying by 999. Now let us look at one word problem before we end our class. See, sometimes you may have to perform more than one operation to solve word problems. You have to identify the operations and then carry them out in order to solve a problem. Yes, now what are they saying children? Sometimes you need to carry out more than one operation. What is the operation here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes. Now what are we having here? A shopkeeper went to a whole grocery store and bought these many items, it seems. Okay. We have to find out the total cost. What is the difference here to what we have solved in the previous classes? This 142 is the price per 1 kg of rice. What is it? 142? Price of 1 kg of rice. In the same way, 75 rupees is the price of 1 liter of cooking oil. 52 is the price of 1 kilo of sugar. 86 is the price of 1 kilo of PGN peas. Understood children? These are the prices of 1 kilo or 1 liter. But if you look at the quantity, the shopkeeper has purchased so many kilos and so many liters. So how to find out the total cost means, first, the cost of 1 kg basmati rice is 142 rupees. Yes. Now we should find out the cost of 4,250 kgs of basmati rice. Yes children, we already know how to do this. See, if I say 1 chocolate costs 5 rupees, what will be the cost of 7 chocolates? How will you find out? 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. Yes. In the same way, to find out the cost of 4,250 kilos, you need to multiply the number of kilos with the price per kilo. 4,250 into 142. 4250 into 142. Yes, starting from 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 0 here 1 carried. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Lastly 2 4s are 8. Yes children? Yes. Now moving on to the next digits, which is 4. A new line, and after 4 we are having 1 digit. So we have placed 1 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 0 here 2 carried. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 0 here 1 carried. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Yes, coming to the last digit, what is it children? It is 1. 1 in the hundreds place. So again a new digit, so new line. After 1 we are having 2 digits, so place 2 zeros. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. Now add all these together. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Yes. So 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. What is the final answer, children? 6,03,500. Yes, this is the cost of 4,250 kgs of rice. Now in the same way, we need to find out the cost of other items. The cost of 100 liters of cooking oil. Yes, for 1 liter it was 75 rupees. So for 100 liters it becomes 75 into 100. That is nothing but 7,500. Yes children, in the same way 1500 kilograms of sugar. So 1500 into 52. This 52 is the price of 1 kilo of sugar. And lastly we have 89 kgs of PGNPs. Yes, 89 into 86 is the price of 1 kg of PGNPs. Now what did we get? We got the costs of these quantities. We found out the cost of 4,250 kilos, 100 liters, 1500 kgs and 89 kgs. Now we need to find out the total cost. Yes, what is the total cost? Add the cost of all items. See here, 6,03,500 plus 7,500 plus 78,000 plus 7,654. Clear children? Now when you add all of these, you will get the total cost of all the items. Okay? We all know how to do addition and multiplication, right? So I am not showing it again. I am just explaining here how to do this kind of problems. I hope today's topic was clear, children. Yes, and I hope that you have no doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.